Today I'm pitching for £1,750 to deliver a project called Transmission. Transmission is a partnership project between Ipswich Museum and its local university and colleges. Young people will work alongside curators to create fresh new interpretations of our collections. We want them to challenge what we do and to inform new ways of working. There's 5 partners committed to this project, and they'll be giving their students and lecturers time, the use of their facilities and their materials as in-kind support. So I think it's fair to say that today our relationship with tertiary learning providers has been fairly reactive. Sometimes they might only give us a few weeks' notice before wanting to access something in store. As a result, it can be really quite time consuming. It can also mean that what the young people do is quite limited in scope and quite prescriptive. So we want to move to a model of joint programming that can make this work more sustainable and beneficial for everyone. At the recent Museums Association conference in Cardiff, there was a brilliant example from the Wordsworth Museum where English literature students were spending 3 days with the museum, getting engaging activity, working with primary texts, which you could do just as well with objects. And as a result, the students were having a fabulous experience, but equally the museum was making thousands of pounds of income. The time is right for us to explore this at Ipswich through Transmission. We are going through a period of organisational change with a new team in place from January, a perfect time to implement new ways of working and to develop our skills and confidence with working with young people. We're also at the very early stages of a major capital development which will see Ipswich Museum transformed into a cultural quarter by connecting it with its on-site national portfolio organisations. This will create a fusion of heritage and the arts, which, if we throw students into the mix, can represent contemporary perspectives and why object-based learning is important. But to do this, to make our service more resilient, we need to invest in our people. And our Museums Change Lives policy shows that we should be enhancing our skills, enhancing well-being by developing our skills and confidence within both sectors. This project will be really well evaluated, and there's money for print which can be shared within both our sectors and the universities. It can also be used for putting in collaborative funding bids for the future. But ultimately, we want to move to a model where students are learning heritage content and content across other courses on site, benefiting from vocational experiences and experienced professional staff. To do that, we need to do this project now, and it will make us more resilient for the future.